there's smoke coming from...
Well, you don't want to talk about that.
Okay. All right. Well, whatever. Okay. Wow. I
Yeah.
feel like I'm on Lost or something.
Yeah.
That's weird. All right. All right. Well, I'm going to teach you a song, okay?
Yeah.
And the song is what you can share with your friends, okay?
Oh, okay.
All right?
What's your name, teacher?
Well, my name is Mr. Drummond.
Oh, what you talking about?
Well, I'm going to tell you what I'm talking about, okay?
Okay.
What's your name?
Oh, my name's Billy, like the goat.
All
No,
right.
I'm not really a goat.
You're a little boy.
No, I'm just a kid.
All right, okay. Well, I'm going to teach you the class of song.
Okay.
And you can share with your friends. You okay?
I'm just
You all
picking a winner.
All right. Okay. I'm so sorry. Okay. All right.
Trying to dry it off.
Let me stop now,
Sorry,
okay?
don't touch.
Sorry. Okay. Sorry.
Okay.
Here we go. You ready?
Okay.
Here's the song.
Okay.
It goes like this.
Yeah.
If I had Jesus in a little bit... If I had Jesus... Billy,
Yeah?
what are you doing?
Shaking my groove thing.
I need you to stop and listen.
Don't touch.
Okay, sorry. So here we go.
I guess the smell got to him.
I guess. Don't know what that was. All right. If I had Jesus in a little bitty box,
Yeah.
I would take him out and and share him with a friend.
Well, that's a good song. That's a happy song. I like that song. I want to sing that
Here
song.
we go. All right. Okay. If I had Jesus,
Are we all singing
we're
it?
all gonna sing. Here we go. Okay. If I had
Not you.
Not you.
can't sing
Hey,
that
hey,
song.
hey, who are you talking to?
I'm talking to Jimmy.
Jimmy can sing, all right?
Okay.
I'm the teacher. Jimmy
Okay.
can sing, okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go. Okay.
Not you. Serious, I will rough you up.
Hey. Why are you saying that to Jimmy?
Jimmy's the devil.
No. Jimmy is not
He's
the devil.
Look
No.
at him, Jimmy.
Worship me, vineyard. Stop.
Don't try.
I'm sorry.
Don't.
I'm sorry.
Stranger danger.
Okay.
He's the devil.
Okay, you're making him cry. Stop.
Well, yeah, he's crying. He's the devil and he's in Sunday school.
Okay. Hey, I need you to focus.
I win.
Here we go. If I had Jesus
Jesus.
in a little bit
In
of
a box in my head.
What are you doing now?
I'm getting my praise on.
I would take.
Is this a rap?
I would take him out
Take him out.
and share him with a friend, and we share him. This is the part in the song where I need you to share
I
him.
really love Jesus.
I know, but let's share him, okay? Let's share him with the world. Don't eat him. No. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get Jesus in my heart.
No, sir. No.
He just has to go down and take a left.
Stop it. Spit him out. Billy, spit out. Billy, spit out. Billy.
Don't touch. That was a long drop for a little guy. You better be glad he's Jesus.
All right, okay. Put him in the box so I can teach you the rest of this.
He was running. He's fast for a guy in sandals.
Okay, put him in the box so I can teach you the rest of the song, okay?
You sit on the couch and you can play Xbox, but you have to play games that are rated E for everybody. Cause you're Jesus.
Okay, just set the box down.
Okay.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
All right, now let me teach you the rest of the song, okay? All right, here we go.
I'm sorry, Jesus.
Okay, he forgives He forgives you, okay? All right. Billy, get up. Billy.
I'm sorry he's such a mean man.
Okay, Billy, I'm not trying to be a mean man. I'm trying to teach the class a song. Billy.
I'm glad you took away all his hair.
Okay, you know what? Get up. No more, Billy. No more, Billy.
His head looks like my bottom.
Okay, get up. Thanks, buddy. They're going to be looking at my